In this presentation, I am going to teach you the relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength of a wave. Velocity, frequency and wavelength, all the three can be related by the equation V is equal to F lambda. This is the formula. V for velocity of the wave, F for frequency of the wave, lambda is called as wavelength of the wave. Here I have taken a tuning fork. Its frequency of vibration is 480 Hertz. Now first we have to hear what kind of sound is produced from the tuning fork. To make the sound from the tuning fork, what we have to do? We have to hammer the tuning fork. After hammering, the microphone to be kept very closer to the prong of the tuning fork, then only you are able to hear the 480 Hertz sound from the tuning fork. Till the energy gets dissipated, you are able to hear the sound. Now, you may have heard the sound which is produced from the tuning fork. That is the frequency of the sound of the tuning fork. Now I have taken the velocity of the sound in air in normal temperature is 340 meter per second. Look at the diagram here. What the diagram indicates here, after the production of the sound, look at that, how many number of waves are produced? 1, 2, 3. Like that, how many number of waves are there? 480 waves are produced in 1 second. That's why this is said to be 480 Hertz. 480 Hertz means 480 waves are produced in 1 second. Here, this distance is called wavelength. To calculate the wavelength, this formula can be used. How to use the formula? Lambda is equal to V divided by F can be written. Are you clear? So what is V? Velocity of the wave in air. Velocity of the sound wave in the air is 340 meter per second. That is to be divided by the frequency of the tuning fork. What is the value? 480 Hertz. This is measured in meter per second. This is measured in Hertz. Now I am going to calculate the wavelength of the wave. 340 divided by 480, which is equal to the length of the wave can be calculated in this method, 0.708 meter. So this is the length of the wave. Are you clear? Just to understand, this one could be converted into centimeter also. Are you clear? 0.708 meter means that is equal to 70.88 centimeter. 70.8 centimeter. So this is the wavelength of the wave. The meaning is the length of this wave portion is how much? 70.8 centimeter. Otherwise it can also be called as 0.708 meter. So in the case of 480 Hertz sound, the length of the wave is how much? 70.8 centimeter or 0.708 meter. Okay. Now I have taken the second tuning fork whose frequency is 380 Hertz. That's why I have written F is equal to 380 Hertz. Already I have told about the relationship between velocity, frequency and wavelength. Nearby I have drawn one diagram. If the tuning fork is hammered, therefrom the sound wave is generated within a second. Within a second, how many number of waves are produced? 380 waves are produced in 1 second. Here, this is a first wave, this is a second wave. At the end of first second, which wave will be produced? 380th wave will be produced. So within 1 second, how many number of waves are present here? 380 waves are there. So in this case, this particular distance is called wavelength, that is lambda. That lambda to be calculated, wavelength of the wave to be calculated. How to calculate? As we have done earlier, lambda can be written as V by F. V is nothing but, already I have told, 340 meter per second divided by F value 380 Hertz. After substitution, We will calculate with the help of calculator. 340 divided by 380, which is equal to 0.894 meter. This is the value of lambda. Lambda can also be written in centimeter. The wavelength of the wave will be approximately 89.4 centimeter. Look at that. Already I have calculated the wavelength of the sound wave in the case of 480 Hertz tuning fork. The wavelength of the 480 Hertz sound is 0.78 centimeter. Now for 380 Hertz, here I have written, I have calculated, substitute here 0.894. Just look at the change. Here the frequency is decreased. Compared to this one, the frequency is less. Wavelength becomes more. Are you clear? When frequency decreases, wavelength increases. Okay. So both frequency and wavelength both are inversely proportional to one another. Okay. Now we will observe the sound which is produced from the 380 Hertz tuning fork. Now I am going to hammer the tuning fork on the rubber pad. I am going to bring the microphone very closer to the prong of the tuning fork. Now you can see some variation in the sound from the 380 Hertz tuning fork compared to the 480. Compared to 480 Hertz, 380 Hertz tuning fork frequency is less, therefore pitch is also less. In the case of 480 Hertz, pitch is more. In the case of 380 Hertz, the pitch is less. Now we are going to see the third case. In the third case, we have taken 280 Hertz tuning fork. Here, the frequency of the tuning fork is 280 Hertz. The velocity of the sound in the normal temperature, room temperature, is 340 meter per second. That is the assumption taken here. If you strike the tuning fork, we are able to hear the sound, and its frequency is how much? 280 Hertz. When the wave propagates in the space, how many number of waves are produced in 1 second? 280 waves are produced in 1 second. This is the first wave, this is the second wave. At the end of that is first second, what happens? The 280th wave is produced. Are you clear? Now this distance, wavelength, must be calculated. In between distance is called wavelength. How to calculate? Already I have written the wavelength of the 480 Hertz sound, wavelength of the 380 Hertz sound. Now we are seeing the 280 Hertz sound. What is the formula? V is equal to L lambda is the formula. Or we can write it as V is equal to F lambda. Instead of N, we can write F. Now what is required here? Lambda is required. Wavelength to be calculated. Lambda is equal to V by F. That is the formula. Substitute 340 is the velocity of sound divided by frequency is 280 Hertz. Calculate 340 divided by 280 is equal to, what is the value shown here? 1.21. 1.21. That is the length of the wave. Are you clear? 1.21 meter. The length of the wave is how much? 1.21 meter. Now the value to be written here. In the case of 280 Hertz sound, the wavelength of the wave is 1.21 meter. We just compare. Here the frequency decreases. 480, 380, 280, frequency decreases. But here what happens? Wavelength increases. So finally we can come to a conclusion that the frequency and wavelength both are inversely proportional to one another. When frequency increases, wavelength will decrease. When frequency decreases, wavelength will increase. Are you clear? So don't forget, if both are multiplied, for example, if frequency and wavelength, if both are multiplied, f into lambda, if f into lambda, if both variable factors are multiplied, you will get a constant, that is nothing but v. Both are changing with respect to one another in inversely proportional relationship. But if both the two things are multiplied, you will get a constant. So velocity of the wave is constant. Don't forget, velocity of the wave is constant. What is the value? 340 meter per second. Finally, at the end, you are going to observe the sound which is produced from the 280 hertz tuning fork. I am going to hammer the tuning fork on the rubber pad. Now we are able to observe hear the sound. Frequency is less, pitch is also less. I hope you may have understood the relationship between frequency and wavelength. Here all the three factors are thoroughly learnt. Which three factors? Velocity of sound, frequency of the sound, and wavelength of the sound. How to relate all the three factors? V is equal to f lambda. By knowing any two factors, the other unknown one can be calculated. Okay.